Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 titanium-based Ford Transit Connect with our Mini T conversion. Vehicle comes with heated leather seats, built-in navigation, built-in adaptive cruise control, blind spot indicators in the mirror, mid-vehicle overhead storage, hands-free Bluetooth. You have the couch that folds out into the bed, microwave, dual house batteries, 2000-watt inverter, refrigerator, sink. Everything can be ran even if you're not plugged in. Has a fan, solar. Check out the full details of this Mini T camper van and others on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!